much. I love watermelon. My dreams come true.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back and Kit Kat. Welcome back to my Kit Kat. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural. We are inclusive. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. So today's wig haul.
Today's wig haul.
What? Today's a wig haul. And we are doing, these are all name brand wigs, and so we're just gonna get started. Alright, let's start with Noriko. And this is Avery, and I have her in the color Frosty Blonde HL. I scooped her up from Poshmark for $60, although she's much more than that. Poshmark is the place to go. Poshmark is the place to go for wigs. I plan to do Avery, I think 2 years ago, I did a, yeah, because he was 15. 2 years ago, I did a video for Avery's birthday where Avery picked his favorite Avery wig, and I got like 3 different wigs named Avery. This year, I'm going to do something for Avery's birthday, not sure what, but I needed an Avery wig at least to celebrate Avery. Because he's going to be 17. I can't believe it. Ugh, I love him so much. So it's Tress Allure. It's by Noriko. So like it's Noriko, but this is a Tress Allure. Okay. So this is Tress Allure's Avery. Okay. This is a full cap wig. This isn't a review. This is literally, I just opened this and we're looking at it together. There are no combs in this wig. There is some perma tees. This is looking a little bit like Lane. This color is really, really pretty. The wig I'm wearing right here is Aesthetica's Avalon, and I have some hairdo like accessories in. This is really giving me Lane. This is really, really giving me Lane. I might have to do this one and do a comparison to Lane. So that is that one. Next is just a regular Noriko, and it's a newer one, I'm pretty sure, because like look at the box. Let's see if you can see. Look at, really? Okay, what do we have here? This is Shilo, and I have Shilo in the color Chestnut. I got it from wigs.com. I have to like sit way back. Wigs.com, it was $326.99. I had 40% off, so I paid $196 for it. Oh, it's deep. Comes the little wig cap. I take those wig caps and I put them in like when people buy wigs, just like as a free wig cap thing. Ooh, this feels so silky and soft. This is it looks like it's a monofilament parting, and it does have this really nice like silicone grip here. So if you, I would say this is probably medical grade then. I would say this is medical grade. So I looked it up. I know this isn't the review, but I just wanted to know. So this is a monofilament parting, so you can part it any way from in this area to look natural. But this is like a little silicone poly strip here. And so this will allow you to add either a sort of tape, like wig tape like this. So you could either add like a wig tape here or a little bit of glue. So that's really nice. This is the first time I've seen a wig cap like that. Not that there's not a lot. And what color did we have her in? This is Chestnut, which is interesting because this is definitely a red wig. I would think Chestnut would be more brown, but this is definitely red. So that is there. Let's do hairdo. I have not tried a wig from Hairdo, but these 2 accessories are from Hairdo. This wig I got on Poshmark. It is new with the tags on it, but it didn't come with the box. And this is Hairdo Allure in the color SS25, which is shadow shade ginger blonde. It says rooted with a medium gold blonde, and I got it on Poshmark for $28, which is a steal. This color looks a lot like a wig that I just reviewed from the wig company, but let's look at her. So this is Miss Allure. She's got that beautiful rooting. This is a full cap, full cap wig. She does look a lot like, and I'll put it up here somewhere, she looks a lot like Glisten from the wig company's Statements line in terms of the color. So the color that I have Glisten is very similar to this. This is like I get there's a lot of bangs here and it probably looks goofy. This is just more shaggy and pieced out than I thought it would be. So I'm actually really excited to see what that's gonna look like on. I've never tried a hairdo wig, so that's exciting because it's new, a hairdo. All right, so we have one from Belle Tress. This is M M by Belle Tress, and I have her in the color Cola with Cherry. I don't know why I did this. I got her from Wig Outlet for $99.95. Oh, this is so freaking pretty. I can't believe I said freaking, but I did. So this is her. Look at how cute this is. OMG. The color is stunning. I'm gonna definitely leave her out. I love this coloring. I love the curls. I'm excited to see what this will look like on. Oh, I didn't even look at her cap. She has, this is a lace front, okay, and a lace parting hand tied. So that is really, really pretty. Really, really pretty. Next up, we have Rene of Paris. I always say Rene of Paris. I don't know why, because they're goofy. So next up is, I don't know what it is. This Cheyenne? Yeah. So this is Cheyenne, and I got it from wigs.com for $249.99, but I had 40% off, so I paid $150. And this Cheyenne is in the color Ice Blonde. I'm very, very excited to try this. Cheyenne is a lace front, and it has the hand-tied parting, and then it goes down through the center of the part. And this is her coloring. She's got these like really pretty blonde tips. This is a ashy blonde color. You can tell the difference between something warm. She's looking a little bit shiny in my light. There is a little bit of shine, but it's not as much as it is in the lights, if you can see. Yeah, you can see down here. It's a very sleek, straight style. So I'm excited. I really like that color a lot. So I'm excited to try her. And next up is Rene of Paris. And this is Jade. And I have her in the color Iced Mocha. How much did I pay for you? I got it from Wig Outlet for $69.95. So this is a nice one. This is under $70. And like legit, she's gorgeous. This is just a full cap wig, no combs, no nothing. This is looking a lot like, is that Noriko? Noriko's Jackson? Yep, Noriko's Jackson. So I might have to do a comparison of the two. Even the colors look very, very, very similar. So that's exciting. I'm really into like wig comparisons, so I will have to see about these two. And last but not least, I don't know, Rene of Paris is something. Rene of Paris, Dakota. And I have Dakota, oh wait, I got it from Wig Outlet for $142.95. I have Dakota in the color Honeycomb Brown. I had reviewed another wig by Rene of Paris in the same color, Adeline, I think it was. And so this is what Dakota looks like. Wow, that's really, 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 really pretty. Maybe she's kind of like Lane, or she's definitely not like Nolan. Is really like a flat ironed situation. She could be like Nolan. I'm not sure. I won't know till I get her on. Okay, Alright, so that's what I have for this name brand wig haul. If there's any of these wigs you would like to see sooner rather than later, please put that down below. If you like these types of videos, also please put a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. These are not reviews. These are just meant to show you what wigs I have, because I do pre-film. So I want you to know what wigs I have so that you can have a say in what goes up when, because like we're doll babies. Okay, and if you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.